gonna help you, Malik. Right here. Let's go. Put it right here. Come on. Come on.
Hey guys, I'm the guy Oblivion wants to fight, by the way. Oh my god.
Bro. How are we getting down? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, let me for real try left hand. I beat with my left. 3, 2.
Who cares? We're streaming right now. That's true. They take a photo and
What we should do? Alright guys, you see he beats with his right, I beat with my left. Malice, this is it.
Wait. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god, okay.
Wait, 3, 2, 1, okay. Okay, pretend like you beat me. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. What the fuck? Are you fucking kidding me, bro? Get